everybody, and welcome back to another Boxycharm video. Today we're going to be doing our February Boxycharm unboxing and try-on. As per usual, I have like a nice kind of neutral face of makeup on now so that we can do this. So let's get started. Of course, February is the month of Valentine's Day, so I feel like we're always expecting our box to be like extra during this month because even being single, like Valentine's Day is always just feels like, oh, I have pink nails too. Valentine's Day has always felt like my day. And I mean, I was in a relationship almost my whole life, so I guess that's why. But like Valentine's Day, like my day, mine. So what I want to start with, I think, is the eyes. So this is the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette for $36, and the box costs $25, so we're already over the price. It's got kind of like unique packaging. It's like the texture of it I actually love. It's like super sleek with a little bit of texture, and it just kind of feels cool. Looks pretty color. Nice mirror. It folds back. And we've got 6 eyeshadows. It looks like a blush and maybe a highlight. When I first opened this up, I was like, wow, that's super nude. Like, I like that. Like, it kind of goes with my face, you know? And you know what I've realized? I need to look at the camera more because I'm always, like, looking over here at myself. Like, I gotta look at the bright sunlight. That's all I see. I can't see you. I see bright light, but I'll try. So they're all actually a little bit shimmery, but I'm going to take Chateau, which is the one that looks like it would be the best crease shade. And, oh, hold up. I think we have brushes. We got brushes. This is the Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection for $30. So we're at $66 already. And you guys know I like to use the brushes that I get so that I know that you can recreate this look with just your box if need be. Cute packaging. I mean, it kind of reminds me of when we were a kid, to be honest with you. Like, you know what I mean? Like the squishy, plasticky. It has that plasticky, almost chemical plastic smell that literally reminds me of childhood toys. That just immediately took me back. Anyways, it's like that. The brushes are inside. Oh my god, they're adorable! Wait, we get 4. Wait, this is probably the cutest thing they've ever done for Valentine's Day. They're pink brushes with white ombre to pink tips. And then there's liquid with sparkles and hearts inside. Pink, sparkly sequin hearts with water that move up and down. I think this has got to be the most Valentine's Day thing they've ever put in a box. And I actually appreciate that because, like I said, Valentine's Day to me is like a me day. And it's like, I actually like stuff like this. Like, even when I'm in a relationship on Valentine's Day, I like the kind of gaudy, cutesy stuff. I just like it. So this is super cool. So I think out of the 2 fluffers, I'm going to take, they're not very fluffy, so it's not going to be very easy, but I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to take the shade Chateau. And I'm going to, whoa, that's got some pigment. Well, it's actually a bit darker than I expected. This brush is wicked soft, like no poking at all. So it's a little darker than I expected, so I'm going to keep it tight into the crease rather than fluffing it all over the place. I immediately noticed that there's so much pigment in this, and it's very easy to blend. Like, normally a pigment this dark and pigmented would be difficult to blend. Not only is it easy to blend, but there's like no fallout. There's fallout in the pan when you go like this, but on the eye, there's nothing falling out below here. Whoa, I just peeked, like...
My apologies. I couldn't hear what you said.
Super pigmented. Very nice color. Kind of like an orangey nude. And it goes on the eye completely matte. Yeah, it's a matte. For some reason in the pan, I thought it might have been a little bit shimmery. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, okay. I'm going to actually just... You know, it's kind of hard because we don't... That's like... The other shades are all shimmery. This one here, called Villa, is actually not shimmery either. I think they just looked like they had a little bit of shimmer on the top. So I'm going to take... Well, let's see Cabana. Oh my god. Should I put some Cabana on my... I'm going to take this flat brush that we got and put some Cabana on just like the center of my lid. It's way less pigmented when you use a brush. It's more pigmented when you use your finger. Yeah, way more pigmented. Whoa. So I would say put it on with your finger and then blend it out with a brush. Oh my gosh, I hate that I'm like rooting my lashes. I feel like putting eyeshadow on just messes with your lash extensions, and I just got them done. I think that that's really subtle and pretty. And then Bungalow is just kind of a darker one, and then Road Trip is almost just even more darker and more bronzy. So these are just some beautiful shades, and I'm just gonna like start tapping them on there because I just want to see. Yeah, these are actually super, super beautiful, pigmented, soft metallic shades. Like, they're not creamy. I like that they're soft. I'm in love with this palette, actually. And actually, whoa, I'm not wearing highlighter. So I'm going to use After Hours as a highlighter. This is, whoa, beautiful. Beautiful pigmented highlighter shade. I'm going to use my Luna Magic. This, I'm sure we got this in a Boxycharm because I don't know where else I would have gotten this. And ready? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Just super like, it's actually gorgeous. It does not actually give you the wet look. It gives you a soft highlight, which is great. Yes. Tiny one. Whoop, whoop. Put that away. Absolutely stunning. And then we have a very beautiful blush shade actually as well. I almost thought it was too pink, but it's not. It's got a nice hint of mauve in there. Shall I put a little bit of this on as well? Okay, fine. Sure. Very pink. Do we like? You definitely see it on there. Gonna put a tiny bit on. I'm not a huge blush person. Do we like? Just a little flush of color. Yeah? Okay. Cool. Absolutely love that palette. Was not expecting to love it as much just because for whatever reasons, like my mind stereotypes like tiny pans as like cheap, but no. Great, great quality. Super soft, super blendable. Highly recommend. Now I've got the Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil, $44. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We're at $110. And it's looking like, I don't know. Oh, Duo mascara. Oh, I thought it was going to be in one, but it's just the box. So we have an eyeliner. So let me just line my... Whoa, it tickles. Hold on. Okay, I actually did a decent job of lining my waterline. So typically like a twist up like this, I'm sure you guys know, are usually kind of waxy and like not very pigmented and rub off easy. But this actually does. So I'm actually already impressed with that. And then I actually feel like I have this already. But I don't know who I got it from. I've had this before, but maybe I threw it away because I throw away like old mascara. Yeah, I definitely had this before because it like curls your eyelashes. I can't use that because I have lash extensions, but I can use the regular mascara on the bottom. But it is real nice having a like lash curler inside your mascara because then if you're traveling, you don't have to bring both. You guys know me. I don't really review mascara because I only put it on the bottom because I have lash extensions, but it's fine. I actually might take a break from my lash extensions when my lash tech has her baby, so I might go back to using a serum, and then I can test out mascaras and lashes and everything again because I will have natural lashes, so that could be fun. But I'm going to look like a nub potato without makeup, but okay, whatever. Okay, so absolutely love that. Really impressed with the eyeliner, to be honest with you. It looks like we have 2 more things left. So this is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub for $32. So we're at $140 now. I believe, around, and Blackhead scrub. I don't really have blackheads, but I feel like it could just still be used as like an exfoliating, like part of your exfoliating routine. Super cute little packaging. And it's got a seal, so I'm not going to smell it. But I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. The last thing that we have is a little cutie is the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion, $18. So we're at like $160. This is a limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil with safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. And it's the cutest thing. It has glitter and little baby... Stop focusing on my face. It has glitter and little baby hearts in there. And this is a cuticle oil, so whether you get your nails done or not, you can still use this, which I appreciate. See if it has a good smell. What just happened? Did I break it already? Okay, I got it back on. Smells like rose. I don't want to say rose hip oil, but like when I was in Barbizon modeling when I was like 13, this smells exactly like the rose toner. If anybody else has that memory out there, anybody in the world, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, actually extremely happy with this box, and I'm so happy because it's Valentine's Day, and I always expect more from the Valentine's Day box. Absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. The brush is super soft and super adorable. The eyeliner, super impressive. Mascara is totally cool, and love a good skincare thrown in there, and love the cuticle oil as well, as it makes like the cute addition to your wherever you want to put it. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I know that I've been the worst YouTuber ever, and I know I say it in every single one Boxycharm video that I post a month. But summer is coming soon, and I'm gonna try to do better. I bought the BH Cosmetics January, whatever the birth gemstone thing is. So I got to do that and then try to buy the February one because I want to do a tutorial for you guys every month. So keep an eye out for that, okay? I appreciate those of you that have stuck with me more than you can even possibly understand, because I get it. I haven't been consistent, and it's annoying as heck. I'm going to talk to you guys in the comments down below, though. Bye.